Question number 9. 5 square flower beds, each of side 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? Okay, so 5 square flower bed, okay, each of side 1 meter, are dug on a piece of land 5 meter and 4 meter wide. What is the remaining area or the area of the remaining part of the land? Okay, in this question also there are two cases. Okay, what are the two cases? The piece of land. Okay, so the land, total land, the length and the width is given, the length and breadth of the land is given, so we have to find the area of the land. Okay, then on that land 5 square flower beds. Okay, so each of side 1 meter, so each side there are totally 5 square flower beds. Okay, in that 5 square flower beds, each, okay, each side, okay, each flower, each of side, each flower bed, the side is given as 1 meter. Okay, are dug on a piece of land. Dug means what? It is dug into the mud. Okay, so it has been dug inside the mud. Okay, on that land 5 square flower beds has been dug on that land. Okay, and the side of each flower bed is given as 1 meter. So we have to find the area of square bed. Okay, so first we will find the area of 1 square flower bed. Okay, and then we have to find how many square flower beds are given. 5. First find the area of 1 square bed, 1 flower square bed, then we have to find for 5. Okay, now first one we will find the area of 1 square flower bed. Okay, so the side of the square flower bed, each of side, so the side is 1 meter. Now area of 1 square, first we are finding for 1 square flower bed, it is side into side, so 1 into 1, so 1 into 1 is nothing but 1 square meter. So for 1 flower bed it is 1 square meter. Now we have to find for 5 square flower bed. Okay, so area of 5 square flower bed, how can we find? This 1 into 5. So 1 into 5 will be equal to 5 square meter. Okay, so for 5 square flower bed, what is the area? 5 square meter. Okay, now we have to find the area of that land. Okay, so the length of the land is given 5 meter and the breadth is also given 4 meter. Now area of the land is equal to length into breadth. Okay, so it is 5 into 4, that is 20 square meter. Okay, now area of the land is 20 square meter and area of 5 square flower bed, it is 5 square meter. Okay, now this 20 and this 5 square meter we have to subtract to find the remaining part of the land. Okay, so now area of the remaining part of the land is equal to 20 minus 5. Okay, so 20 minus 5 is 15 square meter. Okay, so the area of the remaining part of the land is 15 square meter. Clear, children? Question number 11. Split the following shape into rectangle and then find their areas. Okay, so one sum I will show you how to split the given figure into rectangles and how can we find the area. Okay, so one sum I will show you, it's not so important. Okay, I will show you how to split them into rectangle, okay, and then how to find the area. Clear, children? 11th one, A subdivision. Okay, so this is the figure given. Okay, now in this figure can you see the dotted lines given? So those dotted lines, so the figure was actually in the form of L shape. Okay, and this dotted lines, with the help of these dotted lines we have divided it into two rectangles, rectangle 1 and rectangle 2. Okay, now let us see how to find the area of rectangle 1. Okay, look into the solution. Area of rectangle 1, area we know the formula is length into breadth. Okay, so from this figure what is the length? Length, as you can see, 12 is the length of the rectangle. Okay, and 2 is the breadth. Okay, so first rectangle it is 12 into 2, okay, which is nothing but 24. 12 into 2 is 24 square centimeter. This is the area of first rectangle. Okay, now area of second rectangle. Second rectangle, if you see, okay, so this is the second rectangle is, now what is the length? Okay, so this full line is 10 centimeter. Okay, so we don't want that full line because it is only, this is the rectangle. Okay, so the length we have is 8. Okay, so 8 is the length of this rectangle. Okay, and breadth is 2, so 8 into 2, which is equal to 16 square centimeter. Clear, children? Now we have to find the total area of the given figure. Okay, so first rectangle, the area we got it as 24. Okay, so 24, and second rectangle we got it as 16. Now we have to find the total area. That means we have to add. Okay, so 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay, again 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 1 4. Okay, so we have 40 square centimeter. Okay, so which is the total area of the given whole figure. Clear?